This is a standard shorts video with 1.6 million views and $25 only. On the other hand, this is a short video too, but with $1,500 and the same amount of the views, 1.6 million views. Why such video made such amount of money? The answer: because this short video was uploaded as a long form content. In other words, in this video there is standard advertisement from YouTube. That's why there is so much money. And if you want to do the same, there is one trick. If you will upload the video less than 30 seconds, you will definitely not see the money on such content. You should upload video at least 30 seconds. And in this case, there are standard amount of money, like $4,000 from 4 million views. But pay the attention that your retention should be 30 seconds at least. The next important part of the strategy that your video should be from 30 seconds to 90 seconds. Because of such duration, the viewer watches the whole video, and the logic is simple. The shorter the video, the easier it is to keep viewers' attention. And no one watches only one video at a time. Personally, when I got such type of content at first, I watched 10 videos in a row, and every video from beginning to the end. And this is a standard viewer behavior on such type of content. In this case, after 10 1-minute videos in a row, we get about 8 minutes retention on whole channel. And YouTube algorithm perfectly understand what is a binge-watching session is. And that's why the channel with short content are gaining views so quickly. But for the binge session to work, then every video on your channel should have perfect packaging. I mean perfect hooks, perfect thumbnail, perfect titles. Without this, nothing will work. For instance, let's talk about the Brother Follower channel. This video is a perfect example. Like, we read the situation on thumbnail immediately, because there is only 3 elements, like the cannon, the river, and the ship. Yeah, and the thumbnail catches our attention. We move to the title, and in the title we see, can a cannon sink a large ship? And in this case, it's create intrigue. I just want to know the answer on my question, and I will tap or click on the video for sure. We will watch this video from the beginning to the end, and then the recommendation will suggest us the next video from the same channel, like this one, a painful death. We see the weapon, the guy, and something wrong with the guy because there is something red. And everything will be broke if you don't have such packaging. Like the guy on the same channel, it's from the beginning it was horrible, honestly. Like, check this one, check this one, yeah. Yeah, I see the guy in red, but then I don't understand the situation at all. Okay, let's think about it. Revenge for the Brotherhood. What? Maybe it's something mission. Okay, I will move to the title, and in the title I see Red Dead Redemption 2. In the beginning, in the most important part of the title, I see nothing, Red Dead Redemption. I know that this is a Red Dead Redemption because of the background, because of the character. I don't need this information in the title. Then we got this, don't make Arthur Morgan angry, or what? The guy with the bow and what he will do. I don't understand, that's why I don't want to click on such video. And with other videos the same problem. It's just too messy, too many details. I don't get this information immediately. That's why most of such channel failed, and that's why the brother Fowler in the beginning he couldn't gain any views at all. But even if you do everything right, you need to realize that this type of content, it's all about quantity. That's why Brother Fowler created 3000 videos. Maybe in your niche you could create about 500 or 300, but it should be this amount of videos. And as a result, the Brother Fowler made $110K and about 140 million views just in 1.5 years. What you need to understand from this video? That shorts, it's not so profitable like a short content, because the Brother Fowler had the same choice to create it a short channel, but he chose to create short channel. The second reason why you should do this, because there is a binge watching session. YouTube loves it. YouTube will give you a lot of views. Like YouTube gave a lot of views to these channels. Like this is a funny moments with a guitar. You can see it's about 1 million subscribers, and there is the same format, short 1-minute video, and huge amount of views. And that let's check the views. Yeah, 250 million views. It's huge, and that channel blew up very fast. Yeah, it was a music standard channel, but with the standard views about 1 million. And when he switched to the 1-minute videos, you can see 5 million views, 10 million views, and then 10, 10, 10, and he grew up. The next one, it's a funny moments about Omegle. The same format of the videos, about 40 seconds, and he grew up very fast too. You can see 34 millions just in 1 month when he found this 1-minute format, and he created a lot of videos with this 1-minute format. And you can also use this strategy for your channels and for your niche. But if you don't know what to film for such channel, you can check this video where I will show you how I set up the YouTube algorithm to find viral topics.